Good?
Yeah. So we're back on lake number 2. It is February 23rd. There should be some. There's one right there. There's actually 2 right there. There should be some spawning. There should be some thinking about spawning. And there should be some that have already spawned. That could be a bed right there. I'm pretty sure it is. So this might be pretty good. This should be our best chance to catch some larger fish. We got some nice cloud cover. Once again, we've given ourselves about an hour and a half to fish. Dylan's just missed one. There's 2 beds up there. Did you see them?
No.
They should be really active. Like I say, there should be some in the process of spawning, some thinking about spawning, and some that have already spawned. The last time we were here was in December, and it was pretty good. But this should be very good. I could probably turn around and catch those 2 from where we launched, but I don't even know if they were a pound. Maybe I'll do it anyway. Now those are probably the males next to the beds. They're a little smaller than what I would imagine the female to be. I got him. That might or might not have been the one I saw. There were a couple of them up there. But that is fish number 1, and he's not very big. That's 1. I saw 2 up there. That was a very bad cast. We basically just ran those fish over. And they're still willing to bite. Number 2, but they're still running about the same size. I mean, it's a fun size, but we would like to see something a little fatter today. It's number 3. It's still not much of an improvement on the size. Four. Another little guy. Oh my God. This is bigger than the last one. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a giant. This is a freaking giant. This is a giant. Oh my gosh. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Come on now. I know you're a big girl. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Ooh, this one's big. This is bigger than the last one. Holy crap. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm just gonna let you go. Come on. No? Okay. Just stay on. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy Jesus. He's about as big as my boat. Oh my God. Now that. Oh my God. Whew. That is a nice bass. This is the real reason we fish Central Florida right there. Now that was a battle, and that was a heart attack. I tell you what. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, come on, baby. There we go. Man. Whew. I can only assume that that's 8 pounds. Really, it's kind of hard to lift. He's, wow, I don't know. He's gonna tip the boat. He's really bigger than my leg. I don't have my scale. He goes up to the end of my float. That is why we do it, I think. Okay, buddy, we're gonna let you go. Thank you. All right. Man. All right, there you go. There you go. Have a nice day. Man. That was a monster. That was a Central Florida monster. Caught on this little bitty jig, light tackle, Central Florida. That was pretty exciting, I have to admit. Man. Now normally you could turn in a 8-pound bass to Bass Pro Shops for trophy catch. They used to give you a $100 gift card, but I think it's down to $25. So it's hardly worth keeping the fish out of the water to weigh it and do all that stuff. That was fantastic. Let's do it again. Now, unfortunately, the first 8 fish that I videoed, I was on time elapsed video. The fish I caught before this one was probably 5-6 pounds, but the video is a little messed up. There's somebody swimming in the water over there. It's just where Dylan was fishing, but that's not him. Huh. So at least I got one good video of a giant. Of course, I'm not done fishing yet, so let's see what happens. It's kind of cool. Wow, right through the pads. He's a brave soul. Well, that was very interesting. They were just busting some bait up on that sand, right next to the sand. Come on. This is number 10. Look at the size of this behemoth. Yeah, that is... Had to sift through 8 little guys to catch 2 giants. It was worth it.